dreadlocks using some old leftover extensions that I've had in storage for quite a while. So these are human hair extensions. So I've already attached one dreadlock extension to my existing dreads so far, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So taking a section of hair from a weft of hair extension, you want to cut the weft off the top with some scissors. So try and get the thickness of hair the same thickness as the dreadlock that you're going to extend. Then take a crochet hook. I'm going to be using a 0.75mm crochet hook. So just start off and brush out a little bit of hair at the end of the dreadlock, just so we've got some loose hair to attach the extension hair to. So I like to brush out about 2 or 3 inches of hair. You can hear my rats playing in the background. And have a look what they're up to. What are you doing? What are you doing, Scampy? Squeaky. This is Squeaky. So once you've brushed out some of the loose hair at the end of the dreadlock, I'm going to take my crochet hook and start crocheting the hair of the extension into the thick part of the dreadlock. This way it's also a good idea to have a bit more hair brushed out at the end of the dreadlock, so the blending of the extension will be easier. So the thickness of the dread should be the same all the way down, but just keep doing this until you've got a nice blend with that extension hair. So I'm just pulling my crochet hook through the dreadlock and then pulling that extension hair through the other side, and then giving it a twist as I'm doing that, just so we've got a good blend. So once I've finished crocheting the loose hair to the dreadlock, we're then just going to make the dreads exactly the same as we would when we put them in our hair for the first time. So it's just basically connecting that loose hair to your existing dreadlock and then finishing that dread off by making the dread from that hair again. So it's super easy, guys. I really love this technique for extending dreadlocks. I've already extended these dreadlocks. I did make a video before how I extended them using this method of applying the dreadlock extensions. So I've had these ones over 7 months now and I'm really enjoying them. They're definitely getting some character and they've got some more bumps and lumps, and they're getting quite wavy as well, which is what I really like because it goes with my natural hair that I've got tied up in the top of my head here. The extensions I'm using, I think these were originally from eBay. They are human hair. I think they were a pack of 90 to 100 grams of human hair for these ones. They're not really thick, but they're thick enough just to extend the end. As long as you've got a good thickness of extension from the top to the bottom, that's all you need to really look for. And then have the loose ends just to give it more flow. So nice and full and thick. And the blend I've got going on, as long as those hairs are blended nicely together like this, you can kind of see. Attached the loose hair to the dread. I am back combing with a fine tooth comb. I'm just using a knit comb to do this, and just back comb, brush the hairs back up to the dread so it's all nice knotted up. Super easy, see? And that's pretty much it. See, I've extended now 3 dreads. So there's the 3 that I've extended so far. Cute, I like how it's looking. So you can see the difference in length already. So there's the ones I've done. I'm just going to continue doing this on the rest, and then I'm going to dye them purple and we'll see what it looks like, but I feel like it looks a lot better already. Just that little extra few inches of length. A cup of coffee and some music will keep you going. So cute! So you can see that I'm still working on this one now. Lots of crochet. As long as we've got those ends of the loose hair tucked into the dread, then it's gonna have a nice blend to it. Okay, so I've been doing this for an hour and I've done 10 dreadlock extensions so far, so you can kind of see roughly how long it will take you to do a full head. Now I have 27 dreadlock extensions altogether, so I've done just under half of my head. My dreadlocks come just above my ears, so all of where my undercut used to be is dreaded. I really like having half a head of dreadlocks. I just feel like it's a lot more manageable and it's not so traumatizing to my head. So you can see the dreads coming together. Beautiful, love it. Love, 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 love. It's so pretty with the pink and the purple. Yeah. Just gonna crochet some more. Okay, so I'm on the last dreadlock. I'm not going to extend all of them because I feel like the dreads that are on like the nape of my neck, I'm just going to leave them because if they're too long and then they get caught in the ponytail, it can like irritate the skin on my neck. So I'm just letting them grow at their own pace. I actually really love how they look like this with the pink on the extension hair, like what? So there was one dreadlock that I missed out. So it's just above my ear, so I'll just extend this one. Watch how the top doesn't do the boob slip. So there we go. Dun, dun, dun. That's how I extend my dreadlocks. And the next stage will be dyeing them, so stay tuned for that video. Is coming up next. Ooh. Ooh, look at that, oh yeah. So good. So I'll show you what the back